Here's a great deal on a 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 2,000 miles on the odometer, you can be confident that this pre-owned vehicle will provide you reliable transportation. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and much more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.